Alright, it's my first video. So, this is my kitchen over there. Let me show you over there. Yeah, over there. It's my kitchen. Yeah. Let's do this and okay, over there's my home. Where's the home? Over there's that side. And let's show you over here. Okay. Oh, this is my dog, my husky. Where's my chihuahua? Where's my chihuahua? Birds running around. The chihuahua is called Macho. I don't know why he calls Macho. Macho! Macho! Hey, he's gonna cry. Oh no! Don't touch me! Ah! I ain't got any low battery, so I see you next time, everybody. Sorry if this is like 1 minute or 9, like I don't know, but bye bye, and I see you in the next video. Yeah.